abakonyi b'omuraiwense Rigathi Gachagua niga bakagwikirana ase omuyigoyo ase bagakwiraniria mono gochia ase omuraiwense ase ganga yae yokorosia uchumi waigo niga bagakweneke buna nigo abange babeire bakogendera gwetera asogoso ase byombe ase aboria bibe bikosirwa nabo igo kweneke buna ngokoria bire ase amatuko abosio nigo boigo aboria bali bagendete gosoa ase byombe kweneke buna ngochora bali abarai abaronge ndo kwenekia obokoreri obia.
Rais wetu wacha tukwame hapa kwa hivi vyama vya ushirika. Hapa ndio hapa tukwame hapa. Wengine wanauliza kwa nini tuna shida huko na vyama vya ushirika? Sisi tumechanuka. Wacha tujipange na hii cooperatives. This is a way to build the economy of this country. Kwa hivyo we want to really urge those who have been given opportunity to lead the movement. A movement is as good as the leadership. Where you have a good leadership, the circle will stand. Where you have useless characters as the leaders, it will fall. So those societies that do well is where the leadership is right. Kwa hivyo we also ask you as members, mkichagua watu, muangalie vizuri. Take care, make sure you get the right people into place. Your Excellency, the cooperative movement in Kenya is a success story, and it is a movement that harnessed the first government after we got independence and has taken Kenya so far. We note with a lot of pride the successes of the various circles. The Harambee Circle, the Afya Circle, the Mwalimu Circle, 2NK Circle, and all circles that have succeeded. Your Excellency, we have a serious challenge in 2 crops of macadamia and avocado because the farmers are on their own and they lack the forum and the capacity to aggregate their produce to market in a strong way. Your Excellency, with the Ministry of Cooperatives, we are beginning a campaign next week to urge macadamia and avocado farmers to form cooperative societies so that they can market their produce